2, and today we're making a how-to video. We're going to show you how to make 2 super cool and easy costumes.
These costumes can be used for any occasion. The first one is a pirate. Here's what you'll need.
You are going to need to become a pirate a piece of black cardboard and red cardboard, some scissors, a pencil, a texter, some ribbon and a stapler. You're going to fold your A3 piece of paper in half and then in half again. Open it up and fold in the 2 folded down corners so you get a triangle. Then fold up the 2 bottom bits to make your hat shape. Draw on your skull and crossbones. Next, you're going to take your black piece of paper and draw a half circle on it with a flat top. Cut this out and grab your string. Staple your 2 pieces of string on each side of your eye patch. And there's your pirate costume, hat and eye patch.
Army hearties!
Oh my goodness, what a great costume, and it was so easy.
So easy. Why don't we make you into a princess?
Yes. Here's what you'll need.
What you're going to need is a purple piece of paper and a pink piece of paper, some streamers, stapler and some scissors. You are going to start with your pink piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you are going to cut triangles out of the folded over section along the whole edge. Open up your piece of paper and attach 2 ends with your stapler. Flip it over and make sure that it's going to fit someone's head and staple it closed. Ta-da! To make your princess scepter, you are going to grab your streamers and your purple piece of paper. Lay your streamers out along one edge of the purple piece of paper and staple them on. Roll your purple piece of paper up and staple it to make it secure. And your beautiful princess scepter is ready. Ta-da!
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, and it was such